Versatility, productivity, reliability. Tennant Company's new T500 Walk-Behind Scrubber is the optimal solution for virtually any hard surface floor condition. Save time and money on battery maintenance and help increase battery performance with the optional onboard SmartFill automatic battery watering system. SmartFill makes battery maintenance safe, removing the task of checking, opening, and filling flooded batteries, so operators can spend more time cleaning. Using the T500 cleaning controls is simple, and it's all within easy reach. The optional onboard Pro Panel LCD touchscreen simplifies training and improves ease of use with on-demand tutorial videos. Customizable zone settings take the guesswork out of cleaning, delivering consistent cleaning results. Reduce the need to purchase, store, and handle daily floor cleaning chemicals. Tennant's exclusive EC Water NanoClean technology improves your cleaning productivity through sustainable technology. Extend the reach of detergent-free EC Water NanoClean technology and reduce the cost of daily floor cleaning chemicals with a severe environment switch that allows you to attack problem areas on demand. Choose the cleaning productivity that is right for you. Select from 3 scrub head configurations: dual disc, dual cylindrical, and now a 28-inch, 700mm orbital head. Virtually eliminate the need for caustic floor stripping chemicals with the use of the orbital scrub head and surface prep pads, which allow for chemical-free floor finish removal. The orbital scrub head also boasts one of the highest standard down pressure settings in the mid-size orbital category at 170 pounds, 77 kilograms. The redesigned squeegee with integrated P-trap improves water pickup, allows for easier installation of squeegee blades, and prevents water from dripping on the floor after cleaning, meaning reduced risk of slip and fall accidents. Innovative Tennant engineering and design solutions provide health and safety benefits for your operators, employees, and customers. The standard quiet mode sound reduction feature allows the machine to clean at 62 dBA, so you can clean in noise-sensitive situations like schools and hospitals. The optional recovery flow control valve reduces risk of contact with dirty recovery water and helps control flow rate when draining. Easy-to-use controls and operator comfort are essential for delivering consistent cleaning results. The T500 control panel puts the speed control and propel direction within easy reach. Reduce time spent trying to accurately fill the solution tank and prevent overfilling with autofill and water level monitor, which ensures the tank fills to capacity and shuts off automatically. Quickly and easily clean the recovery tank with the optional tank rinse-out feature. An onboard spray nozzle and hose pumps water from the solution tank at 53 psi. With features like SmartFill automatic battery watering, solution tank autofill, and EC Water NanoClean technology, the T500 provides versatility for virtually any hard surface floor care situation. Tennant, reinventing the way the world cleans.